All right, so water pump's leaking, and I got a new one. Well, what a nightmare! This little thing this is the four-cylinder 2.5, and first of all, I couldn't figure out how to do the serpentine belt and get that loose to pull the rest of it off. So this little disaster here. Let me see, it goes like this. Okay, so I had to take the power steering pump off. So that's there, got the bolts there. So, and then this bracket here, this goes into your motor mount back there. Okay, and you got to wiggle that guy in there. And then you can put everything back and bolt it. So you had to take all this off to get the water pump off. So I haven't even got it off, but what a stupid engineering. There's simpler ways of doing this, but anyways, this here, and then here's the secret of the serpentine belt. So the combination of your adjusting bolt and your idler pulley, that will tighten everything up, because that sucker moves, that thing moves up and down. That's the gateway. So that took me a while. I didn't find anything on the internet. So combination of this and that idler pulley, that's your belt tension. So now I'm going to go and see if I can get this metal tube that goes to the other hose that goes into your heater core. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure that I got my new belt and new water pump all matches up before I go back there, because I only want to go there once. So what a nightmare for that. And yeah, hopefully it'll go a lot better. Obviously, pull all that off is a lot easier now. And then clean up the gasket and the faces and put all the new stuff back in. But other than that, follow the torque specs. But what a silly freaking apparatus. But anyway, just FYI.